My name is Nanozi Rachel. Me and my colleague Alina Tracy shall take you through our business canvas model. So our project aims to to build or create an AI-driven EEG diagnostic system. So as we all know that these neurodegenerative diseases are a growing challenge that affecting millions of people globally. So misdiagnosis is common, leading to delayed treatment, thus shortening the life expectancy of the people having these diseases. So, our AI-powered EEG diagnostic system aims to solve this, and today I'll take you through our business canvas model and how we plan to bring this solution to life. So, in order to develop and deploy our model, we identified the key patterns, the crucial key patterns for that, and these are the hospitals and clinics, the equipment manufacturers, the healthy care IT companies that will integrate our system. Hopefully, if it works out, they will integrate our systems into the existing EHR systems, then the research institutes that will help us provide more information about these neurodegenerative diseases we are trying to solve, and then the cloud computing providers that will provide an infrastructure for deployment of our model. Then our key activities aims to build a robust and reliable AI-driven diagnostic system. And these are the key activities. We have the model development and deployment, model development and training, then data preprocessing, and we all know that these EEG signals are complex and they have noise. Okay, they need to be denoised and to clean. Okay, they need to be cleaned. And then the API development and maintenance. We have clinical validation and testing. So our system shall be tested under clinical standards to see if it fits with the clinical standards. And then the customer support and training. So shall provide assistance to users for easy usage of our system. Then these are the solutions, the key solutions we are trying to bring into place. And so this AI-driven system, diagnostic system, we provide an early and accurate diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease and frontotemporal dementia that will help patients start their medication early. Then improve differentiation between Alzheimer's disease and frontotemporal dementia. This will reduce misdiagnosis, have objective and data-driven diagnostic support to clinicians, and a cost-effective diagnostic solution compared to the expensive traditional solutions which are in place. So as aims to bring a cost-effective solution. So, and the last one is potential to remote diagnosis and monitoring, whereby we are to deploy this model to render, and then it will provide a public URL whereby even people in remote areas can just access the URL and then they carry out that test. This is how we plan to create and maintain a relationship between our customers. So the relationship will be professional and reliable, to be collaborative, responsive, and personalized for the solution it will be personalized to meet specific needs of the institutions. Then these are the target key customers that our AI-driven diagnostic system tries to target. We have the hospitals and clinics that need advanced diagnostic tools to avoid misdiagnosis and then wrong treatments. Then we have the neurologists and psychiatrists, those needing support for accurate and early diagnosis. And then we have the research institutions, those ones carrying out the neurodegenerative disease studies. Then you have the pharmaceuticals for clinical trials. They can use our systems for development of new treatments. And then we have elderly care system facilities, and these will provide care for individuals at risk to be diagnosed with these neurodegenerative diseases. So my colleague will take you through the other aspects of our business canvas model. Thank you.
My name is Alina Tracy. I'll continue from where my colleague stopped. Aside from the key resources, so to develop and maintain our model, we shall have to rely on highly trained machine learning engineers and data scientists to ensure that the accuracy and efficiency of our models are maintained. And then our model and processing takes place on a high performance cloud-based infrastructure. and that is since you're using Blender, so you have to scale effectively. You have to be able to be scale effectively. And then we used data for training and validating so that in the real world working environment, you should be able to work correctly in the real world. And then our software platform will provide seamless access to AI powered diagnostics. And then the clinical expertise, the professionals that are essential in our project are the ones that will be able to validate and give us feedback to show that our solutions are realistic and to enable us to improve. Next are the channels. So our first channels we shall reach hospitals and clinics directly through our dedicated sales team to ensure that medical institutions can adapt to our solution. And then our online platform will serve as a hub for information to provide access to the API and user interface that is easy to use. And then we shall partner with healthcare IT providers to ensure that we can integrate our system into existing hospital software to make the adoption smooth and very efficient. Then we shall carry out some purposes and publications to make our project known to other healthcare centers. And the cost structure. So we shall include salaries for our expert team, the engineers and data scientists, and the software developers, the ones that innovate and maintain the system. Then we shall cloud computing costs, the research and development expenses, marketing and sales, and then the regulating compliance costs. And then lastly are the revenue streams. So our revenue model is built on three streams. Mostly, first we shall offer subscription fees for continuous access to our system to ensure a stable revenue flow. And then implement a pay-per-use model where customers pay for each diagnostic analysis to make it accessible to institutions with growing needs. And then we shall generate licensing fees for everyone that wants to integrate our system into theirs. So that's all. Thank you very much.